Programming a key fob for your 2004-2015 Nissan Titan is a simple process you can do yourself, saving time and money. These models use a basic remote keyless entry system operating on a 314 MHz radio frequency. Recent trends show many owners are successfully pairing fobs at home due to cost savings and readily available tutorials. No software updates are needed. This method works by synchronizing the fob's transmitter with the vehicle's immobilizer system. Step 1. Insert your key into the ignition. Step 2. Cycle the ignition from off to on multiple times in quick succession to enter programming mode. The car will indicate this with hazard lights flashing. Step 3. Once in programming mode, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously. Step 4. Exit programming mode and test the fob. Tips: ensure accurate timing and use fresh CR 2025 batteries. Up to 4 fobs can be programmed. If issues persist, check error codes with an OBD2 scanner. For immobilizer codes, seek professional help.